Back at corn planting again today. We're about 2/3 done, I guess. We're hoping to be done by tomorrow night if everything goes as planned. Dad's planting at a field around home, and then we're moved to some farms out by my brother's place, quite a ways from where we live. He had 100 acres left over there this morning when I left. Then he's coming out this way, and we have 180 acres left to plant over here. So we're hoping to be able to get that done by tomorrow night. I'm spreading fertilizer, so I'm driving back and forth to the co-op, and Lucas is cultivating. Makes me appreciate the manure we have around the home fields. These farms are too far away to bring manure, so we got to buy more fertilizer. We're putting 200 pounds of potash and 175 pounds of urea on right now. So we borrowed my brother's skid steer to pick stones, and Lucas said he's already got a hydraulic leak on one of the hoses, so that's why you never borrow stuff. So what'd you do?
Those hoses are like really long, and I think they got pinched into there somewhere.
But you can still lift it up and down?
I can't. I just unhooked the hoses. I thought it would have just dropped all the way.
So it's working?
It's working now.
Okay.
But the hoses are junk.
Okay. Well, we'll just get new hoses.
Yeah.
So it's working pretty good then?
Yeah.
Okay. There's quite a few here, eh?
Yeah. Okay. Down over there, though. They're all just right in this little area.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Sorry, Adrian. Well, I've never driven a skid steer before, but I'm gonna give this thing a whirl and try and pick stones before it gets too dark. Then I'll spread the fertilizer when it's dark. Put the GoPro in this thing. think I'm getting used to it. I gotta get me one of these. I feel like Iron Man in here. I don't know if you've ever heard, but sometimes people send YouTubers gifts when they make a good video. If somebody wants to send me a skid steer, that'd be A-okay. That's it for this field, which is good timing because I can't see anything. So back to spreading fertilizer. Well, that does it. Time to head home. Just gotta make some feed, walk through the barn quick, and then it's bedtime. Well, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.